just let the vegetables cool off. Now I'm going to blend it. You can see I already done that. I have to do it in batches.
That's the done.
And I'm going to be using Mom's homemade
Broth, chicken broth.
Some parts are still frozen, but that's okay.
It's gonna be yummy, anak. And then blend it. Need to use the blender. There you go. That's done. And then there, yummy. What's the name of this soup?
I would just say it's squash juice. I'm gonna have to do this a couple times.
It's squash soup. You look good anyway.
Huh?
You look good.
Oh, thank
You
you.
look good. Okay, so that's the result. And we were having with garlic bread, right?
We are. Probably gonna do this twice.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, let me just stir this first.
Yeah.
It's foamy.
Yeah. And then it's gonna put, all right.
Okay, now I'm gonna just put some coconut milk.
There. Yeah, that's a coconut milk. There you go.
Let me just put some more here. Make it a bit more creamy. And some razzle dazzle. And voila!
Voila! That's Gigi's recipe.
It's my soup. Enjoy.
Thank you for cooking tonight.
You're welcome.